come to join us today. It's Gorilla and Duck. And what? They're wearing their underwear. Today, Gorilla and Duck are going to help us work on more or less. Let's look at what Gorilla and Duck have. You guessed it, they have underwear. Gorilla has how many pairs of underwear? Looks like Gorilla has 1, 2, 3. 3 pairs of underwear. How many does Duck have? Duck has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pairs of underwear for Duck. Who has more pairs of underwear? Gorilla or Duck? Gorilla has 3 and Duck has 5. Who has more? Right, Duck has 5. 5 is more than 3. How many more is 5 than 3? Here would be 1, 2, 3, just like Gorilla. How many more does Duck have? 1, 2. 5 is 2 more than 3. Looks like Duck had more that time. Let's see how many they have next. Let's change out the underwear and see what comes next. Okay, lots of underwear this time. Let's start with Gorilla. Let's count the underwear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pairs of underwear for Gorilla. 10. A 1 and a 0 is 10. Let's count and see how many Duck has. Duck has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pairs of underwear for Duck. Who has more? Gorilla has 10. Duck has 8. Who has more? Right, Gorilla has more. He has 10 pairs of underwear, and Duck has 8. Duck has less than Gorilla, and Gorilla has more than Duck. How many more does Gorilla have than Duck? Duck has 8. Gorilla has 10. Let's see. Let's count out so they both have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Gorilla's 8 and Duck's 8. How many more does Gorilla have? 1, 2. 10 is 2 more than 8. Woo! You're doing a good job. All right, let's check out some more undies for Gorilla and Duck. Let's see how many they have this time. Okay, Gorilla, how many do you have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gorilla has 7 undies. 7. How many does Duck have? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 for Duck. Okay, here's the question. This time, who has less? Who has less? Gorilla or duck? Gorilla has 7 and duck has 5. Who has less? Right, duck has less. 5 is less than 7. How many less? Well, let's make sure they both have 5. Let's count. We know that duck has 5. Let's count out gorilla's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if gorilla has 7, it looks like he has 2 less than gorilla. Good job doing our more or less. Can you do some more or less activities at home? You bet. Maybe you could sort some of your undies by color or pattern or characters and see which you have more or less of. You are doing a great job today.